chika nga. Dito, yun ang ginagawa ko every Saturday.
Ichi-ni-san, say-yo, Rona, hachi-kyo-yo.
Ayan, nakakano.
It's a Japanese
Hyper-text extension. Ito, go na. Ayan na. No, you have to hold my leg.
Don't do it, Rachel. It's bad.
Go.
Doesn't look bad. You're bullying.
Hello, everybody.
Yun na. Places. Places. 3, 2,
Okay,
1.
go. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh, then we tapos diretso na sa ano? Sa G-slide pose. G-slide, man. Hoy, G-slide. Come on, man. G-slide. After nun,
Wala na,
G-slide.
Gisara. Naging beauty queen na. Come on, G-slide.
G-slide, isa lang yun.
No, yung electronic. It's still sunny. Technology. Paano tayo G-slide?
We go together.
G-slide is yung pa rin? Yung pa rin?
We just go together. Nasaan ba kayo ng ano?
Harap.
Yung bebot pose. Nasaan yung bebot formation?
Bebot formation.
Bebot formation!
I am in my
Reason!
Yes, I am. Wala pa tao.
Dito. Tapos saan ako? Dito ba ako?
Parang dito.
Dito ba ako? Parang V.
May gitna namin.
Hello! Come on! Dito ba ako?
Yeah, dyan ka.
So, and then, this is Nico.
And then,
Tapos diretso na sa bebot formation. I mean, G-slide formation. Yung G-slide formation parang
What
bus.
is G-slides?
No, without adding that.
Come on, you.
G-slide formation parang...
Stop it!
G-slide formation is
Still
gonna
having
be...
me
Hey!
stop.
The G-slide formation is gonna be like 2 tapos 3. Silver boys, diba?
Come on, do it in the phone.
Stop it,
Manjay.
Stop it, child.
I am a child.
Video.